Welcome to the tutorial on using Eatec. Once you have the program, you'll have a TA log you in. Once successfully logged in, you will be brought to a page like this. You will want to click on Requisitions. A blank template opens before you. In the reference area, you will want to type FSM 4060 or 4061 depending on the class, so I'm going to do 4061, and then Smith. All right. Location will be Chef Events. Customer will be Professor Smith, so just type in an S and then find Smith, HOSPAM or PM. Delivery date, we will set this to the date that you want this delivered. And then down here in remarks, you will type your group name or number. So I'm going to demonstrate by typing group 8. That is complete. And now we will need to enter in our items. There are several ways to do this. If you have filled out your master grocery list correctly, you can use the item number. To use the item number, just simply push in the hash mark or pound sign and then the item number and click enter. You can see that it brought up the item that I want. Alright, so here we can enter in the quantity. If I want 1 each apple, I can do that. However, I want to point out that over here under unit, when you click on that, we'll bring a pull down list. So here I have the option of buying this apple by each or by the pound. My recipe calls for it by the pound, so I'm going to change my initial order. I want 1 pound of apples. The next item that I'm going to look for is vanilla. Alright, so I have the item number, I could use that, but I also want to show you a way to search for an item. You can use percentage and then type in the word vanilla. Sometimes this gets a little funny when you use plural, so don't put in vanillas or onions or any of those type of things. So I'm looking for vanilla extract. So here's everything that has the word vanilla in it. We have vanilla coffee syrup, we have instant vanilla cream mix. Here's what I'm looking for. Sometimes there's a little bit more information over here on the description, but this is what I want. I want the pure vanilla extract. At this point, I'm going to click on Insert, and you can see that I put in there. So the standard unit of measure that pops up is the ounce, and this over here tells you fluid ounce. So if I want to get exactly what I need, I will type in 1 fluid ounce. The next way to do this is to search for an item is to just type in the word. So I'm going to look at onion. All right. And here we have, again, the same way to do a search. So if I want yellow onions, I will click on yellow. We have green and cocktail, everything else. Highlight the one you want, click on Insert. Here we'll just kind of take a look. We do not want a case, otherwise our choice is pound. So let's say I want 1/4 pound of onions. I'll type in 0.25 and hit enter. One last way to search for an item is to look at the type. So come over here to this folder with a T on it and click on that, and then here is everything that we want. Let's say I want to find milk. So I'm going to look for dairy. Here we have dairy, dairy cheese, dairy egg, dairy liquid. That might be one that I'm interested in. So do not double click this, and you do not want to hit insert. If you do, it will insert every dairy liquid item there is. So we want to hit query, and this will open up all the ones that we want. I'm looking for, we got whole milk, I got soy milk, I'm looking for skim milk, so that would be non-fat fresh, and I'll do insert and quart. I can order it by the quart or fluid ounce if I want. So if I go by fluid ounce, or if I go by quart, I'm going to order 1 quart of milk. So now my order is complete. This is all I want. I am now going to click on the print and save, and we'll just select OK. We'll select OK again. And now it's being sent to the printer, and it also will open up as a PDF document. So here I will click on print and send it off to the printer. You can see that it's in PDF form. This will disappear shortly. And if your computer is set up such, I can open that document back up to take a look at it in the PDF format. So I just clicked on the little Adobe button down at the bottom, and I opened up Adobe Reader, and now I can open up. Here I can kind of take a look at my order if I want to make sure that it is in what I want it to be. So I'm looking at this and it's like, okay, this looks good, except for I noticed maybe I wanted a gallon of vanilla instead. We can go back and fix that. So I'm just going to close this out. You can save this if you like and then have it for your records. So I want to find my requisition. So here I'm going to click on Open Requisitions. Each of these commands can be done by the pull-down list. Here I'm going to look for either by reference. Here is Smith, the FSM 4061, and I'm going to click on that, or you can look by it. The post date is when it's going to be delivered. I'm going to click on Select, and you can see that it opened up our order again. So I said I wanted 1 gallon of vanilla extract. Here I do have the option to order a gallon, and I'll just click in 1. And then I'll just do Submit and Print, and we'll go through the same process. This is pretty much it for our ordering through Eatec. So I'm going to go ahead and print this again. I hope this is helpful. Have a good day.